200 meters, keep right at the fork. Follow signs for the Dubai Mall Cinema parking.
Cinema parking na lang tayo. Saan tayo mag-ano? Doon ka mamaya nun, sobrang ano. Naku,
In
kung hindi
300
mo ito
meters,
pinasok,
slight right.
ka dire-diretso ka na naman. Kung saan lang tayo makapag-park, at least nakarating ka saan. Hinapin na lang natin mamaya.
Nasaan yung car? Nasaan yung car?
It's a Lamborghini, I think.
Entrance?
Taxi.
Oh my
Ito
god.
entrance eh.
Oh my god.
O, ayan o.
Oh my god. It's a Ferrari.
Bumblebee.
Ferrari.
Ang kulay.
This one, there's a yellow, the police side.
Side.
Ito sa side ah. Side din
Oh my
pala
god,
dito.
a Lamborghini. Another one. What the? A silver. What's called?
Oo, ayan ang ano, entrance nila. Cinema parking tayo. Kasi dami nagpa-park naman din dun sa ano eh.
The parking spot is what makes me.
Doon sa kabila, napakaraming ano.
Slight right.
Yata din.
Go right, go right.
Exit niya yata yun.
Yellow
There's
Wala man bayad siguro ano.
Yellow. Let's see. My friends can go to Dubai Mall.
In 400 meters at the roundabout, take the first exit.
Dito mo yellow car na dyan ah.
I'm so excited for this one. There's so many supercars in the Dubai Mall.
Dito nga
What is
lang,
that?
marami pa
Dubai
rin, no?
Mall.